Hey everybody, Doug Hazelwood here. This is my dog Hank. He's a good boy. If you've never been to my channel before, I make workout videos. And today, make sure that you subscribe so you get all the videos, you don't miss out. But today we're not making a workout video because it's an off day. But I'm gonna put my recipe up for my oatmeal. I make it every day. It's good for you. And I am going to share that with you as soon as this dog gets off of me. But Hank loves being in the kitchen with me. He loves to play. He's a good dog. And make sure you leave a comment down below that says, hello, Hank. Make sure you subscribe to this video and you like it. And we're going to get to cooking. He must be hungry because he's trying to chew my arm off. Hey, what are you doing? All right. Well, I'm going to get in the kitchen right now with this dog. He wants his breakfast too. He's not going to have oatmeal, but still, hey, stop. All right, we'll see you on the other side. So what I wanted to talk to you real quick today about is nutrition. I'll talk to you guys about, I'm going to show you my oatmeal recipe. So what I eat this every morning, and I've been eating this every morning for probably about the last year. My cholesterol's gone down. Whole grains to me is something that's very important to your body. I'm going to show you the fruit. Flax seeds I put in it, and it's all natural, 100% all natural, plant-based, and it's great. It keeps me full a long time, and it's great. I don't care who you are. If you're going to go out and exercise and you're going to try to live a healthy lifestyle, you got to have that nutrition in. If you're going to go eat hamburgers and pizza, you're probably not going to be an athletic person, and you're probably not going to stay on it very long. It's just too hard. It's too hard to lose weight. You can out eat a workout anytime. So I'm going to show you a good meal of whole grains, what I eat every day, and I think you're going to enjoy it. If you incorporate this into your workout regimen, it's going to be awesome. And this is what I eat every morning. So here we go. Okay, well, here are the ingredients of the oatmeal. I get this at Costco. It's the Bob's Red Mill quick cooking still cut oats, and that's half a cup right there. Also at Costco I get this 3-berry blend. It's raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, and I use 1 cup of that. And then I got these flax seeds, same thing, I get those at Costco as well. It's organic flax seed, and those are 2 tablespoons right there. And then I get this peanut butter. This is peanut butter that I get at the grocery store, and all it is just ground peanuts. It's 100% natural. There's no it'll grind it right there at the grocery store. And then I have a banana that I put in it for sweetness. I love peanut butter and banana, and I like them to get them when they're like that because they get soft and they're easy to mix in with it. And then the last thing, sometimes I put in, I like it, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but this is pure date syrup. It's made out of just pure dates, 100% natural. It gives a little bit of sweetness if you want it. I use it sometimes, but sometimes I don't. So what I'm going to do is, so my water, right here, there's 1 cup of water, and it's starting to boil. So once it boils, what I do then is I'll put in my fruit. And because the fruit's frozen right now, so I want to get that kind of thawed out. So if you see that now, it's starting to cook, and it'll warm that up pretty quick. And so when that starts to boil again, it'll just take just a second to get up to a boil. I will put in my half a cup of the still cut oats, and they take about 7 minutes to cook, but I just kind of eyeball it. So, 7 minutes or what have you. Just a second. So it'll get back up to a boil here in just a second, and then I'll show you guys exactly how it goes from there. While we're waiting, I was going to introduce you to Hank. This is Hank. He thinks everything is his. So he's always in the way. Look at him licking his chops because he knows some food's cooking over here. Hank, are you going to eat some food? This isn't for you. All right, so watch out. Move out of the way. Let me finish cooking my breakfast. All right, so this is getting good, and I'm starting to come up to a boil again. So I'm going to go ahead and dump these in. And normally what I do is I'll just shake it. I'll just kind of shake it around like that. You can stir it if you want, but I'll let that go, and I'll bring that back up to a boil. And then while that's boiling, I'll go ahead and peel my banana. And because the banana, I like it to be very soft and kind of get it cooked in there. So we'll put that in there as well. All right, so my banana's in there. My oats are in there, my fruit. You see how it turns that purple color? Well, that's just all that good fruit that's in there. And there's somebody waiting for a free meal. All right, so as that's cooking now, what I'm gonna do is I'll go over here and grab my flax seed, and I'll dump that in there as well. As you can see, it doesn't have to be precision. I kind of let that sit on the top and let that go for a second. Let's go ahead and stir it around. Whoops. Let's drop my spoon. My hand's slippery because of the banana. All right, so that gets going. Now the last thing is I'm going to wait just a second, and I'll put the peanut butter in, so I'll show you that. All right, you can see the peanut butter here. It's very creamy. All it is just smashed up peanuts. No sugar added, anything like that. And that's, I don't know, about a tablespoon or so. So that'll give it some good flavor. I really like the peanut butter a lot. So we'll stir that in there. Let me turn down the heat just a little bit. We'll let that go. Now, right near the end, so I got my banana in there for sweetness. I'm going to go ahead and put in some of this pure date syrup for just a little bit of sweetness. It tends to make it pretty good. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of that. That's good. Don't want to over sweeten it, you know, kind of messing up the principle. So I'm going to let this cook for about another, I don't know, probably about another 60 seconds or so. And that's going to be it. That's it. It takes you, what, it took me 5, 6, 7 minutes to make this. A lot less time than it would to make a big, terrible breakfast. So this right here is good nutrition. Good and good for you. So we'll be back in just a second. I'll show you guys after it's done. Look at that, piping hot. Woo! Wow. Peanut butter, and that's just really good. It's really good. That fruit is so good for you. And if I eat that whole bowl, which I do, I eat the whole bowl every day, it'll last me up until noon. I'm not hungry at all until it comes into the till lunchtime. And then I eat a good healthy meal then. There you go. So what do you eat? And that probably cost me like less than $1 to make, because of the fact that I buy bulk and I bought it from Costco, and then I just mix that. And those grains will last me over a month. And anyway, that's just good, clean stuff. So if you want to eat good and you're kind of wondering what to eat, that's it right there. Just follow that recipe. Very simple, very good. And so we're ready to go. So my dog's over there playing. I don't know if you can hear him. He's very excited because he's going to eat with me. Right? So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. All right, well, let's go. Peace. Adios.